Part 3, How to Create a Smart Home. We will show you how the smart devices connect to the home gateway and uses the if this then that logic to control the smart home. After watching this video, you may want to view the Home Gateway Registration Server video. First, open pt7.0 and save a file and call it Smart Home. A best practice is to have graphics and the PT file in the same folder. Let's go to physical mode and create a home instead of the corporate building inside the city. Then click on the Set Background tab, browse for the image that will be your home background. Notice you have a very large sized home, so let's change the size of the container to match a normal 2-story home. Then click Apply. Next, click on the container icon. You can control the size of the icon in the city by making a duplicate of the background image. Resize it in your own software application and save it. Click Browse, select it, and then click Apply. Click the back button to see how the icon is sized to the city. Go back to the home and let's select the wireless device category and then select the home gateway and drag it into the home. Open and look at the settings of the home gateway. We won't change the settings for this demo. Next, click on the End Devices icon and then click on the Home icon. Next, drag onto the workspace a thermostat, furnace, AC, a window, fan, smoke detector, and siren. Let's connect the furnace and the AC to the thermostat using an IOE cable. Follow what the specifications are for each device on which port to connect. Let's now start to configure each device to use the home gateway. Let's connect to the Ethernet ports of the thermostat, the siren, and the smoke detector. In most areas, this would be code. Let's change the fan and window to the wireless connection by opening the device, Click on Advanced and then change the interface. All devices need to be set to DHCP. We now need to assign each device to the home gateway. Click on the device, then click on the Config tab. Select Settings and then select Home Gateway. At this time, you could name the device and check that it has obtained an IP address. Remember, everything should be set to DHCP. Next, drag a PC onto the PT workspace and hardwire it to the home gateway. Again, use DHCP to obtain the IP address. Next, we will go to the home gateway IoT server. The web browser on the PC and enter 192.168.25.1, then hit enter. The username and password is admin, so enter now. You should start to see the smart devices populating the window. Open each device's window and see what it delivers. Now we are going to automate what happens in the home. Let's say that we want the windows to open when the temperature is above 18 degrees and to close when below 18 degrees. Also, let's have the fan on if the temperature is above 20 degrees. Let's make sure the siren goes off if the smoke alarm is activated. To do this, we will click on the Conditions tab. Click Add, name it Open Window. In the if statement, select Match Any and then select the thermostat. Change the setting to match our conditions. Next, go to the Then Select window and then set to True. Let's then add an action by clicking on the plus action button. Select the fan and set the state to on, then click OK. Go back to the workspace and alt-click on the thermostat and watch the temperature rise. When this happens, the window and the fan will react. Can you set a condition so the window closes and the fan stops? Try it. Also, try to have the siren go on if it gets above 40 degrees. This is the way you can make a smart home. Try as many combinations as you would like. Thank you.